First, draw a B and filling it with color. Then draw a D facing downward to form the umbrella. Next, add a girl's face and legs below the umbrella. Include a cute baby chick close by, and add raindrops to finish the drawing. First, draw an 8 and fill it with colors. Add a reversed 3 and 3 on each side and color it. Then add eyes and a mouth. Draw 2 antennae at the top. Create curved line patterns on the body. Then draw a stinger, arms, and legs. Cute bee drawing is ready. First, write 7 plus 2 equals 9 as shown in the video. This is a lovely drawing. You can use this simple activity to teach your kids. How's my art? Share your thoughts in the comments. Look, our porcupine is ready. What shall we draw next? Grab your pen and let's draw a friendly dinosaur. Draw its hands and 2 legs. After that, draw eyes and teeth. Add these multiple lines on its belly. Make it spikes like V's. Look, our dinosaur is ready. Draw an eye inside a circle. Let's color it now. After this, we are going to draw more circle. Draw the antennae and legs of the ants. We are drawing a little ant here. After this, we are going to draw a beautiful cherry on its hands. Let's draw a green leaf now, so we are using green sketch pen. Look, our beautiful drawing is ready.